Good day, everyone. Today is day 13 of our married life, and we are starting our day with a simple but special breakfast together. Today's breakfast menu is a little bit of everything. We have green beans, salmon omelet, bacon, and toast. Honestly, I feel so blessed because even simple meals become special when you share them with someone you love. So now we are enjoying our breakfast together. One thing I'm discovering about married life is that the best conversations don't always happen during big moments. Sometimes they happen while sitting at the table, eating breakfast, drinking coffee, and just talking about life. For now, um, we talk about my current situation. I am a housewife and my husband is supporting us financially while I am adjusting to my new life here in the US. I told him, I love you so much and I appreciate everything you are doing for me. Because honestly, moving to another country and starting a new life is a big adjustment. Having someone who supports you, encourages you, and stands beside you is something I don't take for granted. But my husband told me something that really touched my heart. He said, "You are not obligated and you don't owe me a debt of gratitude." He reminded me that marriage is not a business transaction. Love is not about keeping score. It's not. It's not, I did this for you, so you have to pay me back. Marriage is about two people choosing each other and helping each other through different seasons of life. That conversation made me realize something important. Being a good wife is not about feeling like I need to repay my husband. It is about loving him, respecting him, supporting him, and building our life together. Even though I am not working right now, I still have an important role in our home, taking care of our space, preparing meals, learning new things, and being a loving partner are also ways of showing love. A marriage is a partnership. Sometimes one person carries more financially, sometimes one person gives more emotionally, sometimes one person needs more support. And that's okay because marriage is not about being equal every single day. It is about being a team. Also, I have to admit, being a housewife means I am now the manager of the kitchen. My first challenge? Understanding all the American kitchen appliances. That's stressful a little. The rice cooker already tested my patience, but don't worry, I'm learning slowly but surely.
Yeah.
So after breakfast, we noticed the bad weather.
Too cold.
It's very windy and
Siri, what's
cloudy,
this? Is there
and
a
we're
typhoon or
expecting
is it
a
a normal
heavy
rainy season?
rain.
I don't know. What's
We
the
don't know what's
forecast?
happening,
Let
but
me
the
check.
real forecast is we have
Ooh,
a
it's
storm
heavy
and
rain.
thunderstorm, and it's really cold outside.
Shower, shower.
It's
Okay, it's
colder
good to take
than
a
in
bath
Philippines, and this is only
here. Shower.
couple of
Ooh.
hours storm phenomenon. And after that,
Heavy rain.
after a couple of hours, we receive a tornado watch. This is my first time hearing the tornado watch like this. And I was scared, and this is an unforgettable experience. I thought there will be a tornado is coming, but it's just a warning. And I'm glad we are safe and we followed the rules. And it sounds exciting and scary at the same time. But anyway, I wouldn't like to experience tornado. Watching is enough. That's it, not experiencing. Thank you. Have a good day.